Hi, and welcome to Moodle course training. This class is intended to help those that are new to Moodle as an LMS or those that want to learn how to do new things in the Moodle LMS to get started. This is our Moodle site. It is currently on version 4.1, and this is what it looks like. Moodle is our learning management system here at National Trail. You'll log on with your school assigned username and password right over here, and those would be the same ones you use to log on to your PC with. Once you log on to Moodle, you'll see your list of courses. The courses up here are the ones that you're actively in that aren't hidden. You'll have a course list down here lower on where you see my enrolled courses. Those would be the ones that maybe you're a teacher on that are hidden right now if you need to get into those courses. So let's go ahead and get started on the basic overview of the way the course works. So in the beginning, everyone's a Moodle teacher, and being a Moodle teacher only gives you access to these 8 resources and activities to start off with that I'm going to do training on today. As you level up, you get access to more resources and more activities. So we're going to talk about these 4 resources being things that you post to see. And then we're going to talk about these 4 activities, which are things that you post to do. So we're going to start with just those 8. As you finish the training and become a level 1 teacher, you'll get more resources. In fact, this is all of the resources. There's only 2 more resources that we're not going over. And then you get several more activities. And then in the end, all of these activities here are actually available on Moodle as you get more confident and more willing to try new things in Moodle. So this training is just going to start with these basic ones back here, and then we'll build as we go. So we're going to use this example course for the rest of this training. This course is the way all Moodle courses should be set up. When you're logged on as a teacher, you should see the table of contents in the top left-hand corner. You should see the calendar in the top right-hand corner. And anything else you see below those are things that you can add or remove based on your own personal preferences. In the middle, we have the course content. The top one says general, and we like teachers in general to put nothing there. The general one never goes away, so if there are things there when students go to stuff, it's kind of locked up there, and it makes it harder for students to find your content. Below that, we ask everyone to have a course introduction section, which should have things like your syllabus and your class policies and rules, maybe an introduction to yourself, contact information. All that goes in the course introduction section, and we're going to work on that today. And then from there, we ask that you break your class down into either chapters or subject areas, but not into quarters. We have had teachers in the past that put all their information in quarter 1, and it's overwhelming both for the students and for parents when they have to come in there. So that we do ask that you use this format so that you're standard between yourself and all the other teachers when students come into their Moodle courses. So we're going to work on those basic resources first, and we're going to do it in the course introduction area. So to get into that, I'm going to click on course introduction, and there's nothing in there right now. To start putting things in, I'm going to turn editing on. And then once editing is turned on, you see it opens up that add an activity or resource. Again, we don't put them up in general. We put them into the content area. And over here on the table of contents, things only show up if there's something in it. So right now there's nothing in course introduction, so we don't see anything. So first thing we're going to do is hit add an activity or resource, and we're going to talk about resources first. These 4 resources are things that you can put on your site to see, read, look at, kind of thing. The first one we're going to talk about is the text and media area.